I'm Kate, and I'm enrolled in the Carpentry and Renovation Techniques program. So one thing that I really like about this campus is the teachers here. They really make you feel valued and appreciated as a student. They really try hard for you to be successful. They do want you to be successful, and that's one of my favorite things about being here on campus. Because it's an intimate campus, I just feel as though I can be myself. I have a better opportunity of getting to know people here. I don't feel like just a number. A lot of people are really passionate about not only their program, but just being part of the community here, which I really like. I just find it very inviting. Somewhat be vulnerable in terms of putting yourself out there, getting to know people. Networking, I find, is very important, and I find networking is quite easy to do here. People are very friendly. Don't be shy, ask questions, ask for help as well. The teachers really want us to succeed. So if you're struggling with something, or you have a question, or you're just curious, ask. They'd be very happy to help. Essentially, right after the program I'm doing now, I want to get a job in carpentry and renovation, and shortly after that, I'm hoping to get a job where I can have red seal carpenters on site who can train me, and then eventually I'm hoping that company will sponsor me as an apprentice, because I do want to get my red seal in carpentry, so that is my goal in terms of going to this program. Definitely. One of the reasons I took this program is because I'm new to the area, I'm new to the community, and I wasn't entirely sure how I could get involved with the trades. And this program has opened so many doors for me. I've met so many red seal trained people, which is very, very useful. And so it's given me so many tools that I can use to get towards my goals.